Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can register in Santander Bank. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, go to your browser and type santanderbank.com and click enter. It's gonna take you to this website, and after you come to this website you can click on this login button over here, which is at the right side. Click on it, and then it's gonna show you this setting. Over here you can click on first time user, which is right below the red login button. Click on first time user. Then over here it's gonna tell you to fill up this form. Over here you can identify yourself. There are two options. You can either enter your account number or an ATM or credit card number, and after that you can enter the last four digit of your SSN number. So what SSN means is your social security number, but if you don't have it you can just click on don't have and follow the other option. And after filling up this form you can click on continue. Then it's gonna verify you, and after following all the process correctly, your Santander Bank's account should be created. So that's how you register in a Santander Bank. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.